Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco F8 Pro. And for that we will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons just for short together and we are having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send these screenshots directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we're having a screenshot. If I tap now here in the preview, I have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Oh, pretty cool here at the corners. I can crop a part of the screenshot here, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After I can share this edited part here with the arrow or at the checkbox, I will send it to my gallery. There's a second way to have a screenshot. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that we're here at the control center and a part of the control center is here the symbol with a scissor in it. Just tap here and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the fingers. So just scroll down across the screen and you're having a screenshot here as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having here a screenshot. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after, of course, you're at the gallery. And here the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you always here to go to this point here, to the collections. Because here you will have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.